What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We're here in Indiana again in October. It's October 22nd, fishing with my buddy Alex and my buddy Josh. First time fishing with Josh, first time he's fished this stretch, so hopefully we find some big fish. But weather looks kind of iffy right now. We're hoping the sun pops out, but let's get to it. Got him. Fish on. It's a smallmouth. Well, he come up and smashed that fluke, man. The fluke come up and just hammered it by the boat. That's a good sign. Thank you. Come again. There he is. That trace lure.
Good one.
Oh, it's wrapped around. It's wrapped around. Oh, there's two of them there. Reverse. I don't know how that worked. There was a bigger one than this with it. Oh, he's pretty. Where's my net? Oh, there's another one. He just tried to grab it from him. Another big one with him. This one's not too big, but dude, there's a 20 in here chasing it. Just try to grab it out of its mouth. God, it would have been cool. Maybe a little longer. I don't know. 17. Look at that pretty fish, though. I love it with that big swim bait hanging out of their face. He clobbered it, dude. Nice one. It's number 10 for me on that 6-inch trace. Alex over here is tearing up the spotted bass on the fluke. Having a fun morning out here. Woo! Do a release. Slow-mo release in the clear water. Oh, that was a bad idea. It splashed the hell out of me. Dumbass. Oh, that was a bad idea. Woo. Oh yeah. They're hitting that spook, man.
Hey Adam.
What?
Got 20.
Oh damn. Damn. Hold that fish for a second. I'm dragging one. Damn! Oh, he's a little bigger than I thought he was.
Well, that's a good one.
Yeah, I thought he was smaller than that. Hold him up. Nice. How big was it?
It was 19 right on the dot.
19.
Look at the tail.
Nice, nice fish, Alex. Let her go right there. Nice. And a little bit, not as big as his. Hell yeah. Baby goat. Oh my God. I missed a big one on the top, on the spook. Oh my God, look at the bubbles. He just clean missed it. Man. Oh, got him. I don't, it's not the same one. Oh, there's a big one there with him. Oh! Made the perfect cast in there. Another spot. Yeah, it's a largemouth. Oh, dude! Just come and grabbed it right here. I wasn't even looking. Yeah, came and hit the trace right at the boat. His belly is full. Yeah, I was messing with the dang rudder. Oh, dude! It's a smallmouth bass fishes. Hey, quit splashing me. Hey, quit splashing me. Hey, quit splashing me. The Fitzgerald. Oh boy, that's a nice one. Ooh.
I saw him. I was like, that's a little bit better fish.
They can drag. I'll put them in net just for fun. Oh no! Oh no! Drag him in before I lose him in the logs. Hey! It's a nice one on the Venom Skip Shad. Oh, why you gotta splash me? That was fun. Do a little quick video for the Instagrams. Lost track of my count here. It's probably around 30-ish, I don't know. And that Venom Skip Shad. It's hard fishing behind the Fluke Master over here, though. Don't fluke fish behind this guy. It doesn't work out that great. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
A little spot.
What did I just say?
That's solid.
Yeah. If you get next to this guy, just cut his line real quick.
We're gonna find them if they're there. If they're there, we'll find them.
That was perfect. That's gonna be a great. I'm gonna make that as a Instagram reel. That'd be funny. So I'm like, don't fish. Look how dark. Look how dark and chocolate that one is. That's a pretty fish, really. This spot, I swear, every time someone catches something decent right here. Big old largemouth.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, damn.
Jesus!
That is a big largie.
He's a freaking jumper. Yeet! Hello. Hello. Hello.
Damn, dude. What? Is it a largie?
Yeah.
That's...
Look at the belly. He's already full.
It should have. I think that's a spot, dude.
Oh yeah, it is a spot. It's a big old spot.
Big spot. You might want to get that on picture. That might be like big spot of the year, honestly.
I got a good picture of it, I think. Yeah, I got it. Hey, look at this spot. Look at this spot. $15 3/4.